I think the skill level, like in any organization, of our technicians is pretty broad, but the basic foundation is a good mechanical attitude and aptitude. So you start there, and some machining background. We have a certified training program. We have an apprenticeship program right now that is in rollout and development, and so everybody's going to get trained to the same standard the same way and stuff like that. And it's not, what we do is not cookie cutter. It's not 1, 2, 3. You have a process, procedure, but you've got to be able to change and move. That is the nature of the beast. You're calling audibles all the time. So it's the people that can think, the people that have mechanical attitude, people who work hard and understand that. If you have the attitude and the aptitude, we're going to keep training you, and we're not going to put you in above your head. And people are going to get on-the-job training a lot. We'll send people out unbillable as third man on a 2-man crew, for instance, to make sure they get what's it like to be experienced. Because the only way to get experience is to be there.